Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about a website where you can share your referral codes and affiliate links for free, network, and build a fan base. Let's get into it. So I've used many different websites to share my referral codes in the past 3 years or so, and Invitation.codes is the one that I've had the most success with so far without spending a single penny. And this is the home page. Here you can post referral codes, start discussions, view your traffic, and earn coins, which you can use to boost your codes to be seen by more people. Below shows online users who you can message for code swapping or follow to see if they have posted any codes that you don't have yet. If we keep scrolling to the bottom of the page, it shows a list of codes that have recently been added, so I like to check that out every couple months or so to see if there's anything new that will benefit me. Now let's post a code. We'll click on a new post, select referral code, and now type the brand in the search bar. This will generate all similar results, and they have a ton of codes, so it's unlikely they won't have what you're looking for. However, if they don't, you can also suggest new referral programs below. Now that we have our app selected, you're going to want to copy and paste your referral code above. The bonus value auto-fills and promotional deals are always changing, so there's a good chance the value may be different than what it shows, which is why I like to do a quick Google search and double check because I don't want to give out false information on my codes and my followers being unhappy because they received less money than expected. In this case, some of the promotional events ended and now Plink only offers a $10 sign-up bonus. And the same goes for details. Just do a quick Google search and make sure the details are up to date. And below that, we can add more tags to our post, though I'm honestly not sure how much relevance that really has on this site. And there you have it, you posted your first code. Now to view your codes and profile, click your user icon on the top of the page. Here you can see I have 2,000 followers, I'm following 1,000 people, 62 people signed up with my referral, and I currently have 70 referrals posted. To see how many views or clicks your codes are getting, you can use this drop-down toolbar on the top right and hop over to Dashboard. From here, we can also view our code's visibility, which lets us know if it's time to repost it or not. This has very low visibility right now, and it's one of my best money-making apps, so I'm going to go ahead and repost that now. If you're a free member like me, you're only going to get one repost a month, so you have to use it wisely. There are different membership plans available that offer more reposts, but as long as you network and communicate with other users on the free plan, you can do just fine. Another way to repost your codes more often for free is by earning coins, which are rewarded for performing a range of different tasks. You'll also receive coins for every friend you refer who makes 3 posts. And it may not look like much, but the discussions page can actually be really helpful. Whether you're here to shamelessly promote your codes, talk about local deals, finding out if a code is legit or a scam, or looking to exchange a code with other users. And the paper icon on the top right will take you to your messages, and the bell icon to the left of that is your notifications. I hope this video helps you earn some money with referrals, and if you haven't signed up yet, use my link in the description box below and follow my page. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, save that money.